Hey there programmers, welcome back to Pocket Code Tutorials. My name is CodeGreen01 and today I'm going to be showing you guys how objects communicate with each other in Pocket Code programs. So, how do objects communicate? Well, it's not very hard. Let me show you guys. So what we're going to do is we're going to go into scripts and into the event category, and I'm going to explain to you guys more about this event category. So, what do these top three bricks do? These are all inputs. See, when a program starts, when tapped, when screen is touched, that is input. That is the user's input in the program. When you receive, that is listening. That is like the ear of the object. That's like saying, putting an ear on the object. So it's listening for any of those commands and messages. Broadcast, and wait. Those are like the mouse of the object. So that's like Frank has the broadcast brick inside of it, and Frank's gonna say holy hi ho, and that's gonna be the message that it says. And then when Frankie number 2 receives holy hi ho or whatever it was I said, it'll do a certain task that is attached to it. And it's pretty simple, guys. What becomes true, when physical collision with, when background changes to, when I start is called, those are all like ears. Those are all waiting for a specific thing to happen. So, yeah guys, it's not hard. Events are pretty easy to use, and you're gonna have to use them a lot in your program. So you'll adapt to the use of these scripts. So I built a simple program for you guys today just to show how objects can communicate with each other. And as you guys can see, I have 1 and 2. So 1 is a black circle and 2 is a blue circle. But here's the thing, when you tap on number 1, what's going to happen is it's going to say message 1. And when 2 receives message 1, 2 is going to be like, oh, okay, so I'm going to glide 1 second to 100x and to 200y. And then I'm going to set my size to 150 when it receives message 1. I'm going to play this program, and if it receives message 1 correctly, it should all work smoothly. So I'm going to tap the black circle in 3, 2, 1. Done. It did everything the way it should have done it. The objects communicated perfectly. Now, you just got to keep building on and building on and building on with these communications and other objects, and using more scripts, data. You can use control, events, paint. You can do everything. You do everything. Pocket Code is capable of a lot of things. You guys, I'm going to shoot you guys my profile link down below. If you're new to Pocket Code, just keep using your imagination. Keep it simple, keep it short. Start from the very beginning, start small, and build on. That is how you're going to make a very cool program. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you liked it, please smack that subscription button and bell notification icon right next to it so you don't miss out on any of my new content, because I will be making more videos during my free time. And yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Keep those brain juices flowing. Your boy CodeGreen01 signing out. Have a nice one, guys.